Once upon a time, Buddha was resting peacefully in a small, quiet village. People from nearby places often came to meet him, seeking answers to their troubles and hoping for some guidance. Among the visitors, a villager spoke up, "All of us here work hard every day and are truly grateful for what we have. But there is one man in our village who refuses to work. He blames his fate for his poverty, curses constantly, and harshly abuses anyone who tries to advise him." Buddha smiled gently and said, "Bring him to me." The villagers hesitated, whispering among themselves, "He is rude and harsh. He might insult you." But Buddha reassured them, "Don't worry about that. Just tell him I can solve his problem." At first, the man refused to come, loudly calling all monks hypocrites and frauds. Yet when he heard that Buddha could solve his money troubles, his curiosity won over and he agreed to meet him. He stared angrily at Buddha and said, "Why have you called me here? Do you expect me to suddenly accept this miserable life? Why shouldn't I curse my fate? The only thing I own is this useless body, and I have no money. If you can fix my money problem, then do it. If not, leave this village." Buddha smiled kindly and said, "My friend, I do not have the power to make you happy. Your happiness or sorrow depends on your own actions, your karma. Instead of cursing your life, if you put effort into work, your money problems can be solved." The man's anger grew. "I don't want your lessons. I came here only for money. Can you solve my money problem or not? If you can't, leave." Buddha said calmly, "I don't have money myself, but I know a king who does. I can arrange money for you from him, but you must give something in return." The man asked, "What can I give?" "I have nothing to offer." Buddha explained, "The king's son was born blind. His doctors say that if they can get the eyes of a living person, they can cure the prince's blindness. If you give both your eyes, the king will pay you gold coins equal to your weight." The man was furious. "I will never give my eyes to anyone. No amount of money can buy my eyes." Buddha asked, "But you'll get a lot of money in return. Don't you need money?" The man replied, "Yes, I need money, but I won't sell my eyes." "Without eyes, what use is money?" Buddha offered again, "Then give one eye. The king will still pay you well." The man shouted, "Are you mad? I won't even give one eye. My eyes are priceless." Buddha said, "If you want more money, I can arrange it from the king." The man said, "Stop it. My eyes are priceless. I don't want money that badly." Buddha said gently, "My dear friend, just moments ago you called your body useless. Now you say your eyes are precious. Your eyes are a part of your body. If your eyes are priceless, how can your body be useless?" Hearing this, tears filled the man's eyes. He fell at Buddha's feet, overwhelmed with emotion, and began crying. Buddha lifted him up and said, "Nature gave us this body, but many people curse it. You first called it useless. Now you see its worth. We often forget to value what is given to us for free. Be thankful. This body is a precious and rare gift." Life can feel tough sometimes, but this human life is truly special. Only we humans have the power to choose between right and wrong. So, always be grateful for this gift. If your mind still feels heavy or clouded, you might find the next video on how to clear your mind very helpful.